8-foot pond skiff or dinghy, whatever you want to call it. All right, got it all painted. I did put a little burlap on the front points right here, so I'm amazed how hard that burlap is with just a little bit of glue on it. It's not, it's not gonna be like a real fiberglass, but it's pretty solid. Well, you can see this stuff is, it's flexible with the sheet on it, but it's not very flexible here. And you can see my foam right here that's for the foam kayak. All right, let's do a walk down the side of it. And I was thinking about maybe making a removable seat for it. And we'll see. But today, let's just weigh it and see how much it weighs. Let me put the camera down here. I can't really zoom this. You have to zoom it before you start recording. Let's see if I can do this without knocking everything over. And one thing that I did do, those boogie boards you see at the beach all the time, they always have a little tow cord in them. And you can see where this goes through there. Just something to tie it up with. You don't need much because it don't weigh much. This is probably 26 pounds. So if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit pause on the screen and see if you guys can see that scale. Right, here we go. Gonna be some noise. Ooh, this thing has gained some weight. Looks like it's right at 30 pounds. Okay. Gained a little bit of weight, but 30 pounds, that's not too bad. It's about like a kayak. It's a little unwieldy in here. So you can see on the transom there where I put the also the burlap. I mean, by no means is it bulletproof, but that's pretty impressive for just glue and burlap. And I'm hoping to get out to my camping spot and take this out and see if I can catch a bass in it. The weather looks like it's going to be okay this weekend, so we'll see. And then my next build is going to be, like I said, here's my kayak kit right there. And we're going to build I thought about 12 foot, but that's a little bit much. And I want to go past 10 foot, so I think I settled on 11 foot kayak. So it won't be too hard to handle, and my pickup truck bed only has a 5-foot bed in it. So looks like it's going to be 11 foot. And this is going to be a thing you can make at home. And you don't have to buy this all at once. I mean, yeah, you could go buy a used kayak for about what you're going to spend on building this because of the price of building materials. But if you don't have that money up front, you can go buy one piece at a time with this, one piece at a time of this foam, and cut it and just use up what you have, and then next paycheck buy another piece of foam. So that's what the cool thing is about these foam boats. And plus, you could let your kids loose with it. It's not like it's fiberglass and it's going to get on them and be caustic or something like that, or bad for their skin or lungs. So y'all hang in there. I'll get you a float video here pretty soon on this, and then we'll start with the foam kayak build. And leave me a comment. I'll come to your channel and leave you a comment. I really appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much.